Hey guys, Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. On my first cleaning this morning, came out, customer had, all he had on his vent was a bird guard. The bird guard caught all the lint. I know people say put screens on, but I'm going to tell you the mechanical code, it's a violation of the mechanical code to put a screen or anything to block for that purpose, because what it does is it catches the lint and it backs your dryer up, and this is what it looks like when that occurs. See all this is all backup, and that backup occurred because somebody told them, hey, just put a bird guard on it. You cannot put anything over the enclosure other than something that opens and closes when the air comes on. If you put something permanent like a screen, a bird guard, then all it does is back it up, and it's more dangerous than having a louvered vent cover on. Again, 317-430-3993. We're gonna go ahead and see what's in this guy's vent. So I'm gonna try to hook you to the roof here and see if we can get you guys a good view of what's gonna happen. Oh, looks like you're gonna be able to see it perfect. So here we go. Again, 317-430-3993. Another thing that I noticed that I told the customer about is they've got this tall tree right here. That's just inviting birds to just sit there and wait for that dryer to turn off if the louvers don't close. So we're going to upgrade him to a no pest vent cover with a lifetime guarantee. Now, he did tell me a few minutes ago that he did have this done 2 years ago. So he does stay on top of it, but they've noticed that their dryer was taking a little bit long to dry. And I think that was because of the bird guard being put on it and catching all his lint when it rained. It's that gray snow.
Yeah, buddy. At least it's not yellow.
That's true.
So are you from North Carolina?
I was originally born in South Bend. And my dad was in the Navy.
Did you go to Adams or St. Joe, or were you gone by then?
I went to L.C. Rogers and Bittersweet. And then they built a new $14 million Penn High School. Yeah.
I've always lived here.
Right.
I used to play Center Grove High School.
Yeah.
It was in the middle of a cornfield. No joke.
Center Grove ain't in the middle of a cornfield no more.
Oh, hell no.
The place is built up. Now, just so you know, I just dropped down that elbow down behind your wall, behind your dryer. So I'm almost to the back of your dryer. Yeah. Yeah, I do a lot of work with Home Advisor. Home Advisor, I've got a lot of 5-star reviews. Google, I got a lot of 5 stars. I got over 160 5-star reviews. So I'm accredited Better Business Bureau, fully bonded and insured. And I'm not sure how many other dryer vent companies, but I actually test in May for my certification. So to actually be a certified dryer vent technician versus these other companies that just run around and say, hey, I'm certified, or not, they don't say they're certified, they just say we do dryer vent, but yet they have no certifications. And that's the back of your dryer right there. Nah, you're pretty bad. I mean, if you got up here and looked at this tree's pretty bad. And if you have Facebook, like I said, I'm live, so you could look it up later on Facebook. I'm gonna have it posted. But the biggest thing is a lot of people will say things are against code, and they're really not against code. They just try to sell you more stuff that you really don't need. Yeah.
Before we put our dryer in, had it cleaned out, vents and everything.
Right.
This company I use called Duct Wizard or whatever.
Yes, sir.
That guy was a jerk.
Well, I'm live right now, so we won't talk about the competitor.
Sorry.
But, yeah, I don't. You did say it, but let's not talk about the competitor. Because, you know, people, well, the same things that you just said, I've heard, and it's fine by me because it just keeps my business going. When people are 100% satisfied with me, it just makes things better for me. And I find it's better to not say anything bad about the competitor because people figure it out themselves.
Mom always said, ain't got nothing nice to say.
Nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. But I'm glad that you chose me over them. That's all I got to say. I've been out here a few times. I've been really busy.
This time of year.
This time of year, you got birds and stuff like that. The other thing is a lot of people will say, hey, just do this, do that. That's what we used to do. The problem is your dryer vents are like your old cars. Back in the days, your old cars, everybody worked on a 4-barrel Holly, and they knew what they were doing. Yeah, well, these days, these dryers are so high-end efficiency that putting a screen over here, you can't do that no more. Because when you put a screen on here, it backs everything up. Exactly. Just like your bird guard did. So, that's actually a code violation to do that. But you see people all the time say, you know, they'll ask for recommendations and somebody will just say, oh, just put a screen on it. It's like, I hope they don't take that advice. But if they take that advice, what can I do? You know, I mean, it's their home. But I really love what I do. I enjoy it. And there's a lot of people that watch my videos and see what I do. And they really didn't realize, you know. I still get people all the time that says, is this really a thing? No, it's not a thing. It's my job. It's what I do for a living. It's not a thing.
Just out of curiosity, do you run Saturdays or try not to?
I work on Saturdays if somebody needs me to. I try not to because I'm working 7 days a week. Sundays I just don't work. But yeah, if somebody said, hey, I can only do a Saturday, I'd help them out. I mean, I'm not a big franchise, so I'm more flexible with what I can do. And so I'm gonna get this turned off here. Hey guys, again, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Let's look what's inside. and we have us a cleaned out vent. Do you know what's inside your vent? If you don't, call me. I'll show you.